Hello, my name is Chendur Jayavelu. I'm an incoming junior in high school, and today we're going to be looking at question 26 of the April 2021 ACT Math section. So let's get to it. Okay, question number 26. An 8-sided game piece with faces numbered 1 through 8 is rolled twice. What is the probability that an 8 is rolled both times? Okay, pause this video. Hopefully you'll figure this out. And once you do, press play back again. Okay, so it goes back to our previous question. There was a question before 26 that dealt with probability, and I'm just going to write what probability is again. So probability is basically the amount of times a certain event happens over the total possible outcomes, right? So basically, so think about it this way, right? So probability that an 8 is rolled both times, right? So there's a number, there's a game where, right, this piece which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? And okay, so there's 8 numbers here, so the possible outcomes is 8, right? And in order to roll that specific 8, that event can only happen once, right? There's only one 8 in this entire bunch. So it's 1 over 8. But don't be so sly on picking H yet, okay? Basically, it's asking what's the probability that an 8 is rolled both times, right? So you have to roll an 8 the first time, but you also need to roll an 8 the second time as well, right? So there's a 1/8 probability of that happening, but within that 1/8 probability, and this is really huge, this is really important, within there's 1/8 probability, of that 1/8 probability, there's another 1/8 chance that another 8 would be rolled. So first, there's a 1/8 probability that the first 8 would be rolled, but within that 1/8 of probability, there's another 1/8 chance that the 8 will also be rolled as well. So therefore, you would have to multiply, and this is called a dependent probability. Basically, you're dealing with the second event happens only if the first event happens. Right? And I should clarify that the second event could happen actually, because the first time you could roll an 8, but the second time you could actually roll a 5, right? So the second event could happen if the first event happens, but if the first event happens, then the second event can't happen whatsoever. And with dependent probabilities, it's a good idea that you need to multiply the probabilities. So there's multiply, my bad. So basically you have a 1/8 probability of rolling the first die, a 1/8 probability of rolling the second die, so you can multiply those two together, and what you get is a nice 1 over 64. So that's the answer, which means the answer is F. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed question number 26, and I hope that you look at question number 27. For now, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.